Avocado is not only a delicious fruit but also a great ingredient for your skincare routine. Packed with vitamin C, and antioxidants, avocado is excellent for moisturizing and nourishing your skin. Here are some tips on how to use avocado for radiant skin. 1. Avocado Face Mask. Mix mashed avocado with honey and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. This mask will leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. 2. Avocado Body Scrub. Combine mashed avocado with sugar and use it as a body scrub to exfoliate dead skin cells. Rinse it off with warm water, and your skin will feel soft and silky. 3. Avocado Eye Cream. Mix mashed avocado with aloe vera gel and apply it under your eyes. This cream will reduce puffiness and dark circles, leaving your eyes looking brighter and more awake. 4. Avocado Hair Mask. Mix mashed avocado with coconut oil and apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with shampoo and conditioner. This mask will nourish and moisturize your hair, leaving it shiny and healthy. Incorporating avocado into your skincare routine is an easy and natural way to achieve radiant skin. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.